guys, look at me. I am a plant and today I am going to tell you about myself. I inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. My leaves contain a substance called chlorophyll. I make my own food in my leaves. I make my own food by mixing sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and water. Now my friends are going to tell you about themselves.
Hello friends, my name is Sun. I give sunlight to the plant. If the sun will not give the sunlight to the plant will not grow its own food.
Hello, I am water. I give water to the plant. Without me, the plant cannot grow.
Hello, I am chlorophyll. I changes the sunlight and give color to the plants.
Hello guys, I am glucose. I am the food of plant. You know how I am made? Sunlight, water, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide.
Hello, I am carbon dioxide. I am good for plants but harmful to the people.
Hello, look at me. I am oxygen. Plants breathe me out and people breathe me in.
We hope that you will like our presentation.
Thank you.